Good morning. Working on a gate today, and I'm going to discuss something real quick that I don't like. I love high security gate operators. I love the gates we put in, but this is one of my pet peeves. And it involves the drive rail and the slowdown limits. Hey there, how are you today? If you're new to the channel, I'm Sean with Accent Alarms. I have about 25 years experience designing, installing, and servicing quality, long-lasting automatic gate systems. By automatic gate system, I mean I work on gates, gate operators, cameras, access control, and wired and wireless connectivity. And I've recently added video production to the list of things I do. I'd love to get your feedback, good or bad, down in the comments section, and please take a second to click on that subscribe button. It really helps us out when you do. Keep your head on a swivel and be safe out there. The slowdown ramp here, and we've got our drive rail mounted on the gate, and it bolts on through the rail, and it's supposed to go into this groove here. See that groove? Here I've got a piece out so I can show you a little better. See that groove there? It's got the notches. And my gripe is that this does not fit into the slot. So it wants to cock and turn because it doesn't mount in there correctly. You can see that this is wider than the groove. So it won't fit in there. It either sits this way or that way. So your ramp is crooked. If you're gonna put the groove in there, right here, why not make this so it fits in there? One of them's gotta change. So there you go, that's my rant today. How, when you're using a high security product, their ramp with their drive rail, it should work, it should fit, it should be designed to work together. This does not work. Hey there, I'm Sean with Accent Alarms. Keep your head on a swivel and be safe out there.